नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावना नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः we're looking at Saubhari Charitram. So Mandhata was one of the Manu, and he had 50 daughters. Those 50 daughters, so there is another Rishi during that time when Mandhata's Charitram is being described here and his children were being described. So there is another Rishi called Saubhari Maharishi who had an ashramam. He decided to stay underwater and do tapas for 12 years. As he was there, there was this big fish which was floating around, which was going around him inside the water. He saw that fish which was surrounded by its children, grandchildren, and descendants, and he was very happy to be with that sparsham. So that touch was enough for that Meenadhipati to feel very happy about himself. So Saubhari Maharishi also decided that this is something that he had to experience in life. So he goes to Mandhata and he says, you have 50 daughters. Shatardha Sankyaha Tavasanti Kanyaha Tasam Mamaikam Nripate Prayachha. So give me at least one of them, give one of their hand in marriage to me. Yat Prarthana Bhangabayat Bibemi Tasmadaham Rajavara Atidukkat. Say, I'm more worried that you are going to refuse my prarthana. Spare me of that difficulty. Shri Parashara Uvacha Iti Rishi Vachanamakarnya Saraja Jarajarjarita Deham Rishim Alokya Pratyakhyana Kataraha Tasmacha Shapabitaha Bibhyat Kinchid Adomukas Chiram Dadhyaucha. So the Raja was a little worried because he saw this Rishi who was extremely old, and his form was also in a very jara jarjaritam. அதாவது ஒரு எப்போ விழுந்துருவாளோன்னு நினைப்போம் இல்லையா, எலும்பும் தோலுமா இருக்கா அந்த மாதிரி. It is not a very attractive form that he saw in front of him to decide Kanya Varayate Rupambo. Pita Kulam Mata Shrutam or Mata Kulam Pita Shrutam. So father wants to look at the learning, but the daughter would look at the form. If he is looking very beautiful, handsome, then yes, I would like to marry. So none of these seem to, or at least Rupam did not fit immediately. He wanted to look at it from his daughter's perspective. So Pratyakhyana Kataraha, but he was also afraid of refusing the Maharishi, fearing a curse from him. So he just stood with bowed head. He stood for a long time. He was thinking about it. So Saubharihi Uvacha Narendra Kasmat Samupaishi Chintam. Why do you worry? Asahya Muktam Namaya Atra Kinchit. I did not tell you something that is intolerable. Ya Avashyadeya Tanaya Tayaiva Kritarthata Naha Yadi Kim na labdham. Kritarthata naha yadi. If your daughter is anyway, she has to be given in marriage to someone. If you give her to me, then I will feel very satisfied. When a great rishi is satisfied, then what you will not get? One is kanyadanam to mahaddanam. It is the best among the danams. The other thing is you are going to give her to a rishi. And what will you, when I am satisfied, when I am the one who is coming and asking you, and you are satisfying as an atiti, you are satisfying my wishes also. So what is not obtained by you because of this action? In other words, you would have gotten everything that you need in this world by satisfying my needs. Okay, we finished till this. Now what does the Raja reply? So Shri Parashara Uvacha, Shri Parashara Uvacha Atha tasya bhagavataha shapabhitaha saprashrayaha tamuvacha asau raja. So asau raja saprashrayaha bhagavataha shapabhitaha. Bhagavan tu atra Saubhari Maharishihi eva. So shapabhitaha, being afraid of getting a curse from this Maharishi, saprashrayaha, with a great vinayam, with a discipline in mind, he also spoke back to the Rishi, Asau Raja, Tam Uvacha. Tam Nama, Saubari Maharishim Uvacha. He spoke to that Maharishi in the following manner. So, Raja Uvacha. Bhagavan Asmatkula Sthitihi Iyam. Yaeva Kanyayaha Abhiruchitaha Abhijanavan Varaha Tasmai Kanyam Pradiyate. Tasmai Kanya Pradiyate. ஆமா மேலே இது இருக்கக்கூடாது தஸ்மை கன்யாம் பிரதீயத்தை வராது ஒரே நிமிஷம் கன்யா பிரதீயத்தை எஸ் ஸோ தஸ்மை கன்யா பிரதீயத்தை தேர் இஸ் திஸ் இஷ்யூ வித் இன் மை ஃபேமிலி வாட் இஸ் தட் भगवन् अस्मत् कुलस्थितिः इयं कुलस्थितिः नाम एषा एव अवस्थितिः अस्माकं कुले this is what we keep practicing in our kulam यः एव कन्यायाः अभिरुचितः so it is like the swayambara so कन्यायाः whoever is abhiruchitaha, whoever it is desired, whomever the kanya wishes for, I can only give tasmai kanya pradiyate. So to him a kanya, the woman, the girl is being given. Okay, inga pochu the slides keep moving. Okay, sorry. So kanya pradiyate da irukano. I was just checking that. So asmat kulasthitihi iyam, this is our kulasthiti, yaha, the person whom my daughter wishes for. Kanyayaha abhiruchitaha, the person who is desired by my or by my daughter. Then abhijanavan varaha, if he is also a person who has a great family around him. So abhijanaha nama bandhavaha anugataha paricharyaha, so there are servants, relatives and all those people. He has to be surrounded by mitra bandhukkal nungrolya and madri, he has to be surrounded by people here. Abhijanavan, he should be in a great kulam, he should have been born in a great kulam. Tadrishaha eva varaha yadi yaha kanyayaha abhiruchitaha, that groom whom my daughter likes, tasmai kanya pradiyate, to whom to that person my daughter will be given. Bhagavad yachnya cha asman manorathanam api atigocharavartini kathamapi esha sanjata. Bhagavad yachnya, your wish, your desire or your prarthana has no atigocharavartini or agocharavartini. It doesn't come within the range of my desires. Mama manorathastu evam vartate. So I can have அப்பாங்கிறவருக்கு எத்தனையோ ஆசைகள் இருக்கலாம் இல்லையா ஸோ அதை சொல்கிறாருங்க ஸோ ஐ ஹாவ் அ செட் ஆஃப் wishes or even my daughters, you know, including everything, asman manorathanam, whatever we wish for, your request is something beyond what is there in our mind. Atigochara vartini kathamapi esha sanjata, somehow this is something that is your request is something that is beyond what can be satisfied or what is there in my mind. Tad evam upasthite. Now if this is the case, na vidmaha kim kurmaha iti etanmaya chintyate, I don't know what to do, and that is what I have been thinking. So the idea here is he says Narendra kasmat samupaishi chintam ityuktam Saubharina. So Saubhari asked him, why are you unnecessarily thinking about this? So he is replying and saying that this is what I am thinking. So tad evam upasthite, if this is the case, that your request is something which has never entered my mind at all till now. So kim kurmaha iti na vidmaha, I don't know what to do. Ityetat maya chintyate, this is what is being thought about in my mind. So I have been thinking about this in my mind that I don't know what to do. I'm unable to satisfy your request. Ityabhihite, when this was spoken by the Raja, tena bubuja iti tena bubuja abhihite sati munihi achintayat. The Rishi now thought how to address this issue. Ayam anyaha asmat pratyakhyana upayaha vruddhoyam. Yeah. Yes, okay. I was just checking if, yeah. I am anyaha asmat pratyakhyana upayaha. So he is thinking about what could be another reason for him to reject me. So asmat pratyakyanam. Pratyakyanam nama rejection. So asmat pratyakhyana upayaha, I am anyaha. So possible that this is another reason for him to refuse me. What is it? Vruddhoyam anabhimataha strinam किमुत कन्यकानाम् इति अमुना संचिन्त्य एतत् अभिहितं. Probably he is thinking that this person is an old man. वृद्धः अयं. स्त्रीणाम् अनभिमतः. Even women don't like him. So what to say of young girls, marriageable age, who are of marriageable age? Even women would not want to approach such a person who is old. So what to say of girls? Iti amuna sanchintya etadabhihitam. Probably this Raja was thinking in this manner and he spoke thus. Evamastu. Tatha karishyami. Okay, let it be. Let me approach this problem in this manner. Iti sanchintya mandhataram uvacha. So Saubhari Maharshi told Mandhata in this manner. Yadi evam tadadishyataam asmakam praveshaya kanya antahpurusha varshavaraha. If this is the case, go and order the Kanchuki. Varshavaraha nama, the best among the attendants who take care of the Kanya Antahpuram. The Antahpuram harem, where all the girls are, there will be usually a Varshavaraha nama, there is these people take care of their attendants who are appointed to take care, who are generally older people who have served the army. They're very strong also. They can protect the Antahpuram. At the same time, they will not wish for the girls, that is, they will not look at the girls in a ஒரு தப்பான பார்வையில பார்க்க மாட்டா. அதுதான். So they are usually napunsakaha. They are not men, so they are usually napunsaka, eunuchs. So they, adila, the best among them. So Varshavaraha, Antahpura Varshavaraha, let him be Adishyatam, let him, go and give him the orders for me to enter. Asmakam praveshaya. So I will go in. Idu reverse, idu madri, Swayamvara. Swayamvara is usually where all of the Rajas are assembled and the girl goes there and chooses one among the Raja. Here he says, I will enter the Antahpuram where all of the girls are present and whoever wants to wish for me, I will marry her. Yadi kanya eva, if the girl herself, kachit, mam abhilashati, if she wishes for me, tada aham dara sangraham karishyami, then I will take her as my wife. Anyatha chet, if nobody wants me, tadalam asmakam yetena atita kala arambhanena. Atita kala arambhanena. This exercise that I have started, that is to go and find a wife for myself, is something that is beyond the time, the usual time. So atita kalam nama, at a delayed juncture, I am trying to find a wife here. Vardhakye ityarthaha atra. So enough of this, search for a wife, at an untimely search. So asmakam. Etena atita kala arambhanena, by this effort, which is an untimely effort, enough of this effort so that if nobody wants me, I will let go of this and go back. Ityuktva Virarama, the Muni stopped talking. Tatascha mandhatra munishapa shankitena kanya antahpura varshavaraha samagnyaptaha. So the Mandhata Raja, Munishapa Shankitena, he again is a little afraid to reject the Muni. He is so sure that a girl would Kanya Varayate Rupam. So the moment they see an old man coming in, they are not going to be interested, let alone get married to one. So he was, at the same time, he was also afraid of rejecting him. And so he said, he called the Antahpura Kanchuki and Samagnyaptaha. he was ordered. Munishapa shankitena. Shankitam nama bhayam. So he being worried about the shapam from the rishi Mandhatra Samajñaptaha. He was the attendant was ordered by Mandhata. Tena saha kanya antahpuram pravishan Bhagavan akhila siddha gandharvebhyaha atishayena kamaniyam rupam akarot. So இங்க வந்து தேன சஹ இங்க புருஷ வருஷவரஹ சமாஜ்ஞப்தஹ தேன சஹ இத்யுக்தே வருஷவரேண சஹ பிரவிஷன் பகவான் சௌபரி மகர்ஷிஹி. So தேன சஹ தேன வருஷவரேண சஹ with that attendant kanya antahpuram pravishan, as he was entering the kanya antahpuram, the harem where the girls were, Bhagavan Saubari Maharishi Akhila Siddha Gandharvebhyaha Atishayena Kamaniya Rupam Akarot. He took on a Rupam form which was Kamaniyam, which was attractive, Atishayena Kamaniyam, which was even more attractive than all of the Siddhas and the Gandharvas. Praveshya cha tam rishim antahpure Varshavaraha taha kanyaha praha. Tam rishim praveshya nijantam, causative form here, causal form. So praveshayati, he makes the rishi enter into the antahpura. Having done that, so having shown the way for the rishi into the antahpure, Varshavaraha, the attendant, taha kanyaha praha, he spoke to those women, those girls. Bhavatinam janayita maharajaha samajñapayati. So this is one quotes, and then again this is another quotes actually. So then there should be two quotes here. This is it is redundant, so that's why I did not put that. So Maharajaha samajñapayati. Usually when it is a reported speech, it will not be like our English reported speech. It will be a direct speech. So ayam asman brahma rishihi Kanyartham samabhyagataha. Ayam brahma rishihi Kanyartham asman samabhyagataha. So the Anvaya here, Bhavatinam janayita, your progenitor, that is your father, Maharaja, samajñapayati, he is ordered thus. What has he said? Ayam brahma rishihi, this great rishi is Saubhari, Kanyartham, for the sake of marrying a girl, Kanyadanam Karayitum, Asman Samabhyagataha, he has approached me. Abhi agataha, abhimukam agataha, he has approached me right now for the sake of a girl. Maya cha asya pratignatam, I have also ordered him, yadi asmat kanya ya kachit bhagavantam varayati, I also promised him, in case ya kachit asmat kanya, any one of my daughter, if she varayati, if she chooses you, bhagavantam varayati chet, if she chooses the rishi, tat kanya chande na aham pratipanthanam karishyami. Kanya chande nama ishtam. In the matter of that girl's wish, I will not be an enemy. Aham paripanthanam na karishyami. Paripanthanama, I will not obstruct, I will not go and stand against in that against her wishes. So I will let her marry according to her wish. So kanya chande, kanyayaha ishtas vishaye na aham paripanthanam karishyami, aham shatrutvam na acharishyami. I will not behave in the manner of an enemy here. Ityakarnya, hearing this, sarvaha evataha kanyaha, all of those girls, sanuragaha, with affection, sapramadaha, with happiness also, karenavaha iva ibha yutapatim tam rishim, ahamahamikaya varayam babhubuhu uchuhu cha. All of those women, because as he entered, his form had changed into a beautiful form like a Gandharva. So all of these girls fell in love with him, and with great affection, sanuragaha, sapramadaha, with great happiness also, karenavaha iva ibha yutapatim, like how female elephants follow a male elephant. Usually one male leads the herd, and there are a lot of female elephants around there. So in that manner, ibhaha nama gajaha yuthapatihi. So the yuthapati, the herd, the lord of the herd. Okay, so just as how a king of elephants is being followed by all of the female elephants. Karenu nama இது பிடின்னு நினைக்கிறேன் தமிழில் அழகான வார்த்தை. ரெண்டு, the male elephant has a different word and then the female elephant has a different word. மறந்து விடுத்து. இதில் வரும், இந்த விநாயகர் அகவலில் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சரி, ஸோ கரேணு இஸ் கரேணு. கரிணௌ கரிணः நகாராந்த பதம் கஜः इति, and karenu becomes the female word for that. Tam rishim ahamamikaya aham iti uktva, I will be the chosen person iti uktva varayam babuvuhu, they went and chose that rishi, and uchuhucha, they also spoke in the following manner. So we saw that it is in a gadyam and padyam fashion. So it's like a beginning of Champu here. Alam bhaginyo aham imam vrunomyaham naisha tavanurupaha mamaisha bharta vidhinaiva srishtaha srishta aham asya upashamam prayahi. So alam bhaginyah, each one of them is telling the others in, one is saying this way, alam bhaginyah, enough sisters. All of them, they are addressing the other sisters and saying, one person is saying, aham imam vrunomi, I will choose him. Vrunomi aham na eshaha tava anurupaha. Aham vrunomi. ரெண்டு தடவை, வீப்சாயாம் து தத்ர ராக அதிசயः ஜாயதே. So when you say something twice, you are actually showing more enthusiasm and it is more passionate there. இல்லையா, வா வா அப்படின்னு கூப்பிடுச்சு, there is an extra emotion there. அஹம் பிரணோமி, I will choose, ஏஷः தவ அனுரூபः ந, he is not appropriate for you. Mama eshaha bharta vidhina eva srishtaha. The vidhi, the fate has created him as my bharta only, as my husband. Srishta aham cha asya, and I have also been created only for him. Upashamam prayahi. So upashamam na, keep calm. Don't try to get excited about the thing here. I have been created by Vidhi, by Brahma, only for him, and he has also been created only for me to be my husband. Vritaha maya ayam prathamam, maya ayam griham vishanneva vihanyase kim, maya iti kshitipatmajanam tadartham atyartha kalir babhuva. There was a great fight among the kshitipa atmajanam, among the daughters of that king. Kshitipaha, kshitim pati iti kshitipaha raja, atmajaha, atmani jayate iti atmaja. So all the daughters of the king. Among them, tadartham, for the sake of that rishi, atyartha kalihi babhuva, there was a great fight that was happening among them. In the manner in which it has been described earlier. So, vritaha maya ayam prathamam. I am the one who chose him first. Ayam maya eva prathamam vritaha. He has been chosen by me first. And then maya ayam griham vishanneva kim vihanyase. Why are you stopping him? As he is entering into the Antahpuram, I was the first person to see him. I was the first person to choose him. Then kimartham vihanyase. So இது வந்து எப்படி பண்ணணும்னா, this is the first sentence here. Griham vishanneva. Okay. Maya ayam prathamam vritaha. This is one sentence. I chose him first. Another girl is saying, Maya ayam griham vishanneva vritaha. As soon as he entered, I chose him. You chose him only afterwards. Kim vihanyase. Why are you stopping me? No, don't kedukada. அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி அது மயா iti No, I was the one. No, I was the one who chose him first. Iti Kshitipatmajanam madhye kalihi abhut. All of the girls started fighting in this manner. Yada munihi tabhihi ativa hardhat vritaha saha kanyabhihi anindya kirtihi tada sa kanyadhikrito nripaya yathavadachashta vinamramurtihi. Yada tabihi, when all of these girls chose that Muni in such a affectionate manner. Okay, so ativa hardat munihi tabihi vritaha tabihi kanyabhihi. Okay, yada tabihi kanyabhihi ativa hardat anindya kirtihi munihi vritaha. இப்படி எங்க எப்படி போகிறது பாருங்க அன்வயம். சஹா ததா or saha munihi vritaha tada. Now the next part of the sentence comes here. Okay, so when that great rishi who had an anindya kirti, whose fame was anindya, there was nothing to speak about wrong about him. It was criticizable. You could not criticize his kirti at all. He was such a famous person in the sense that his charisma was such that you cannot find fault with him at all. Tadrisha anindya kirtihi saha munihi tabihi kanyabhihi ativa hardat vritaha. He was vritaha, chosen by those girls, hardat, out of a great affection. Hardam nama hridi bhavam hardam. So hridayapurvakam saha tatra vritaha iti. He was chosen with a great affection in their minds. At that point of time, saha vinamramurtihi, that muni, that rishi, I think இது வந்து என்னன்னா vinamramurtihi saha iti, it should be the varshavaraha. The attender went and kanya adhikritaha. So tada saha vinam kanya adhikritaha, the one who was appointed to protect the girls, vinamramurtihi san, he bowed down his head and nripaya yathavat achashta, he spoke to the king as happened. However it had happened, he relayed the entire episode to the king. Nobody expected this sort of a reaction from the girls, right? Shri Parashara uvacha tad avagamat kimetat kathametat kim karomi kim maya abhihitam ityakulamatihi anichannapi kathamapi raja anumene. Now the king is in a dilemma. He was very clear that the ladies would refuse, but then his daughters, all of them has chosen him. Now what do we do? So tad avagamate, having understood the situation here, kim etat, what is this, katham etat, how is it possible this is the way it happened, kim karomi, now what should I do now, kim maya abhihitam, na enatha sonneno, இப்படி போய் சொல்லிட்டேனே அப்படின்னு வருத்தப்படுவோம்ல. You usually regret your words later. So what did I tell him? Whoever chooses they can marry nutene iti akulamatihi. Being confused in this manner, anichannapi, even though he did not desire this, yet kathamapi raja anumene, he agreed somehow. Krita anurupa vivahascha maharshihi sakalaha eva taha kanyaha swashramam anayat. He took all of those, he married all of those 50 women, and sakalaha kanyaha, all of them, swam ashramam anayat, he took them to his ashrama. Now what did he do? He called Vishwakarma. Tatracha ashesha shilpa kalpa pranayataram dhataram iva anyam Vishwakarmanam ahuya sakala kanyanam ekaikasyaha protphulla pankajaha kujat kalahamsa karandavadi vihangama abhirama jalashayaha sopadhanaha savakashaha sadhu shayya parichadaha prasadaha kriyantam iti adidesha. So he called Vishwakarma, இது போட்டிருக்கணும் இங்கே இல்லையா, kriyantam iti adidesha. So tatracha, there he went to his ashrama, and in his ashrama, tatra swa ashrame Saha Vishwakarmanam Ahuya, he called Vishwakarma, the divine architect, who is Ashesha Shilpa Kalpa Pranetaram, who is the creator, Praneta, who is the creator of all kinds of Shilpa, Shilpa Kalpam, the forms of different sculptures. He was the one who had created everything. Anyam dhataram iva, anyam vidhataram iva, or like another Brahma he was. He could create an entire universe like Brahma. ஆனால் எல்லாம் இதுவாக இருக்கும், இட்ஸ் an artificial thing, but at the same time he had that skill. So Vishwakarmanam Ahuya, he called Vishwakarma and told him thus, Sakala Kanyanam, for all of the women, Ekaikasyaha, for each one of them, among all of the women, for each one, Prasadaha Kriyantam, create palaces. That is, you build palaces, 50 palaces, right? Each one should be accompanied by Jalashayaha, with the ponds. There should be lakes inside the palace. And the lakes should be very beautiful. Abhirama Jalashayaha. How are they beautiful? Because of Protpulla Pankajaha, there should be fully bloomed lotuses in those lakes. And then Kujat Kalahamsa Karandavadi Vihangama Abhirama. It should also be beautiful with the Kujat, with the sounds of the birds, Vihangama, like Kalahamsa, swans and Karandava. Karandavana அது என்ன சக்கரவாக்க பக்ஷி. ஸோ ஆர் இட் இஸ் another kind of a hamsa, annapakshi. So there should be many lotuses and birds which are making sounds. Tadrisha jalashayaha, yes, yesham vartante te prasadaha. So take it as an adjective to the prasadaha. So palaces which had these lakes, and sopadhanaha, Savakashaha, Sadhu Shayyaparicchadaha. It should also have bed chambers which have good pillows. Sopadhanaha, Upadhanam nama pillow. Sa Avakashaha, space, not just in the studio apartment. Huge, spacious Savakashaha with a lot of space. Sadhu Shayya Parichadaha. It should have a beautiful Shayya, a bed, and Parichada, lovely covers. Prasadaha Kriyantam, create such palaces. Iti Adidesha, he gave this order. Similar, idu vandu with a much more elaborate description is there in Bhagavatam, in the 3rd skanda, where Kapila Maharshi vandu, Kapilaroda appa Kardama Prajapati, he creates one for Devahuti. इति आदिदेश तच्च तथैव अनुष्ठितम् अशेष शिल्प विशेषाचार्यः त्वष्टा दर्शितवान्. तच्च तथैव अनुष्ठितं सत् दर्शितवान्. So Tvashta is Vishwakarma. It's another name for him. So Vishwakarma, Ashesha Shilpa Vishesha Acharyaha, the Acharya, the creator of all kinds of sculpture, which is Tvashta, Vishwakarma. He showed that scene that Saubari wanted. He showed that scene in the same manner that he wanted. He had created it in that manner. So Tatucha Tathaiva Anushtitam Darshitavan. He showed it in the manner in which he wanted. In the same way, he had also Anushtitam, created it, and he showed it to Maharishi. Tataha Paramarshina Saubharina Agnaptaha Teshu Griheshu Anivaryanandanama Mahanidhihi Asanchakre. இது வந்து என்னன்னா, I don't know what it means, but he just says that Tvashta also created a great treasure inside that place, which was called Anivarya Ananda, a happiness which cannot be stopped at all, unobstructed happiness. So I think Mahanidhi ngardu a treasury which has a continuous flow of money, அப்படி இருக்கலாம், இல்லைன்னா இட் நீட் நாட் பி ஜஸ்ட் அ ஃபிசிக்கல் ட்ரெஷர், பட் இட் குட் ஜஸ்ட் பி எ கான்செப்ட் வேர் ஹி இந்த ஒரு யந்திரம் மாதிரி, யூனோ சம் யந்திரம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் திங் which will give a great happiness to all of them that cannot be stopped by anything. Tatha tatra he created such an atmosphere within it, being instructed by that rishi Saubhari. So tataha paramarishina Saubharina Agnyaptassanna, being instructed by Saubhari Vishwakarma, teshu griheshu, in those houses, anivarya ananda nama mahanidhi, இந்த இது சொல்லும் சங்கநிதி பத்மநிதிம்போ, அது என்னன்னு தெரியாது, அது ரெண்டு தான். ஸோ இட் இஸ் சம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அ ட்ரெஷர் விச் ப்ரொவைட்ஸ் ஆனந்தம் தட் இஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்லி அன்அப்ஸ்ட்ரக்டட், that is continuous flow of ஆனந்தா. தாத்ருஷம் ஆசாஞ்சக்ரே he created it. ததः அனவரதேன, probably this is because of that there was a constant, because of that treasury there was a constant supply of food for people who come there. So anavaratena bhakshya bhojya lehyadi upabhogaihi agata anugata bhrityadin aharnisham ashesha griheshu taha kshitisha duhitaraha bhojayamasuhu. So the happiness that you feel by providing food for Athithi is a great happiness. So they experienced that. All of the Taha Kshitisha Duhitaraha, all of the daughters of that Raja, what did they do? Aharnisham, every day, Ashesha Griheshu, in all of the houses, Agata Anugata Bhrityadin Bhojayamasuhu, they provided food for all of the people who had arrived, Agatan, Athithi, the guests who had arrived with their Bhrityadin, with their retinue. If they arrived, they were able to provide them with food in the form of bhakshyam, that which you can eat, bhojyam, that which you can relish, lekhyam, that you can lick and have. These are 4 kinds of padarthas here. Upabhoga, these are the different types of food. She provided it for them. Now Raja was very curious about how they were all leading their life. Usually after you give your daughters in marriage, you want to go and check out, right, if the son-in-law is keeping the daughter very well or not. It's a very natural parental feeling that they have. Ekadatu duhitri sneha akrishta hridayaha samahipatihi ati dukkhitaha taha uta sukhitaha va iti vichintya. So samahipatihi, that king, sneha aduhitra sneha akrishta hridayaha, his mind being pulled by that affection towards his daughters. He was very affectionate towards his daughters, but at the same time he wanted to know, so he was attracted by that, no, he was pulled by it, attached by that. Ati dukkitaha taha uta sukhitaha va, are they extremely sad or are they happy? Iti vichintya, thinking thus, tasya maharshehe ashrama samipam upetya, he goes near that the ashrama of that rishi, and spuradamsha mala lalamam Sphatikamaaya prasada malam adiramya upavana jalashayam dadarsha. He saw that row of palaces. Sphatikamaaya prasada mala. Sphatikamayam, it was just like crystal, Sphatikam. So all of those palaces, that garland of palaces were like Sphatikavala. And Spuradamshamala lalamam, Spurad Amshumala Lalama. அம்சுமாலாங்கிறச்சு கிரணங்களுடைய இது இல்லை, நிமிஷம், அம்சு மாலாங்கிறது, அம்சு இஸ் கிரண, கிரணானாம் மாலா, லலாமா. Okay. So he went close by to that ashrama and saw a row of bright இது, அதாவது ஸ்புரிக்கின்ற அம்சு கிரணங்களினுடைய மாலையை கொண்ட லலாம நெற்றிப்பட்டை மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடியது. லலாமன்னாலே சூடா. ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் தோஸ் பேலசஸ் were shining at the top. Usually the sun's rays fall on the top of those palaces, and there is a row of peaks of those palaces which are all shining with rays. There are rays coming out of it. Spurat Amshumala Lalamam, the Prasadamala had rays coming out of the top portion of that palace. Tadrisha Spatikamaya Prasadamalam Atiramya Upavana Jalashayam. It also had a beautiful garden and lake. He saw this row of palaces here. Okay. So then he enters into the palace, and he has to inquire about his daughter, right? So we'll see that next class. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayamudhirayet.
Recording stop.